Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to the end zone, guys. What do we have today? Something super special. What is it? What does that say, Enzo?
Toy mini brand.
Toy mini brands. And where did we get this?
In Dollarama.
So our local Dollarama had these on for $5, which is an awesome price compared to some of the other stores. And there was 8 left in the box, so we just asked if we can take the box, right?
Yeah.
And she said yes?
Yes.
That's right. So we got an extra piece here. What is that?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. So that's the Play-Doh that came in the display box. So we have the toy mini brands. There's 5 surprises in each one, and we're looking for new ultra rare frozen moment minis. You think we're gonna find any?
Yeah.
I hope so. Fingers crossed, right?
Yeah. Let's open it.
All right, so we're gonna open up each one and let's see what toys are inside. A little crystal. So it's a crystal flyer. Oh, that's cute. And what else did you get? Some money?
Yeah.
$5 bill? Cool.
Yeah.
All right, what's in the next one?
Plus, what is this?
Let's see. So we got some
Slime.
slime. What is it? It's My Little Pony?
Yeah. What is this?
Oh, it's one of the board games. It's the Adventure
Okay.
Begins. That's the back. One more left in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another one.
Another My Little Pony? One yellow and one white one? Oh my goodness, I can't believe we got 2 My Little Ponies. They're so cute. So we got 2 My Little Ponies, a crystal flyer, some slime, a board game, and some money. Are you ready to open up another one?
Yeah.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Another one? Is that the same one?
Yeah.
Okay, we got our first double. Let's go. Keep going. Oh, is there more money in there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Added to our 5s. Let's go. What's next?
Another one.
Another game? Is it a different game? What game is that? Let's see. Trivial Pursuit. So we'll add it to this pile. What's that?
A box.
Cards Against Humanity Everything box. That's so cute. Okay, we'll add it to our other games here. 2 more left?
Yeah.
Let's go. Is that another double? So our second double. Okay. Do we got one more in here?
Another one.
Oh, another. Oh, but this is the color we don't have. This is a purple one. So we have 3 colors now. We have the white My Little Pony, the yellow, and the purple. I think that's the whole set for the My Little Pony. You ready for the next ball? Ball number
3.
3. Ball number 3. Let's do it. That's something different. It's a Hello Kitty wooden bead set. That's cute. Something we gotta put together?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it together. We'll be right back. That's cute. And the drawer opens. So cute. Exploding Kittens, a card game.
2 more.
2 more?
Yeah.
Is that the piggy action figure?
Yeah.
Let's see. Miss? No, it's not Miss Piggy. It's just the piggy action figure.
Another slime.
Another slime.
Another one.
And some more money. These are $50 bills. And two slimes. So now we have 3 doubles.
Ball number 4.
Ball number 4. Okay. Is that a Power Ranger?
Yeah. It's from Netflix.
It's from Netflix. Let's see. Oh, well, that is so cute. Is this your favorite one so far?
Yeah.
More money?
Yeah.
Another 50. And then what's this?
50.
2000s. Nostalgic pack. Something else we gotta build?
Yeah.
It's a shopping cart to put all our toys
I'm
in.
building.
You wanna build it?
Yeah.
All right, let's build it. Good job. You wanna put something in the shopping cart?
Yeah.
So cute. So how many more left in there? 2 more? 2?
Another game.
Another game?
Light bright.
Light bright. They're so cute.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 games. Okay, what's in the last one? So what is that?
Mini sand.
Mini sand. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little mini kinetic sand treasure chest. That is so cute. Ball number
5.
5. Ooh, Angry Birds?
Yeah.
Angry Birds Crasher. Too cute. Okay, what's next? What's that?
It's right there.
Cute little Orbeez. Put it right here.
Yeah.
Okay, right here. What is this? Oh, it's a shelf, like a little grocery shelf. Ready to build it?
Yeah.
So we got a little grocery shelf. Put some of our little mini toys on it.
Just open this first.
Okay. 2 more?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Again.
Another one? Another light bright? So 2 light brights. Okay, what's next? Ball number 5.
This pet shop.
Little-
Pet shop.
The littlest pet shop.
Yeah. It's a game.
It's a pretend box. Oh, that's so cute.
The boxes goes here.
Okay. Is there any money in there?
Yeah.
We got another 50?
Yeah.
Where are you putting your money?
It's up.
In the shopping cart. It's a good idea.
Let's open number 6.
Number 6? Okay.
It's right there.
Sure. That's the one you want? Is that a Hello Kitty?
Yeah.
Super cute.
Another one.
Another Power Ranger? Is it the same color?
Yeah.
2 blue Power Rangers. So what's this one? We got something else to build? So that's cool. It's a little safe.
Another one.
Another Hello Kitty bead set.
Another money.
Another slime and more money.
Yeah.
Now this is our first triple. Our first triple.
Yeah. Let's open number 7.
Okay, number 7. Is that another Piggy action character? Same one?
It's a different.
It's a different character?
Yeah.
A Piggy action figure.
Yeah.
What's that one?
Another one.
Littlest Pet Shop?
Yeah. It's the same one.
The same one. Another double.
There is another money.
Another money? Let me see. Which one's this? Ooh, this is $100 bills.
Let's go in the car.
What could this be? Another grocery shelf? Yup. Let's put it together.
What is this?
Another grocery shelf. Okay, is there any more left here? Oh, there's 2 more left. Another one. Another Hello Kitty. Something new?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's a banana.
It's a piano? Let's see. It's a dance mat piano. Cool. Last ball?
Yeah.
Okay, last 5.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Another one.
Another Orbeez.
Yeah.
Let's see. Another Orbeez. What's that?
Looks like a pink shopping cart.
Looks like a pink shopping cart.
Yeah.
It does. Okay, let's put it together. So we got a blue shopping cart and a pink
I
one.
put this.
You're gonna put that in the pink one? All of your slimes.
Yes.
Cool.
1, 2, 3.
3 more pieces left?
Yeah.
Okay.
About scrap. Pretend.
Put it with the rest of the games here? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going.
1, 2.
2 more.
Another one.
What's that? Oh, the Angry Birds? Same character, yep. So another double.
You're the last one.
Last one. Let's do it. We got some more money?
It's 1, 1, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1, 1. Those are, it's a dollar bill. You're gonna put in your shopping cart? And what's the last piece? It's another double, right? The 2,000. So another double.
Yeah.
Well, that was cool. Was that fun?
Yeah.
That was our first time opening up the mini brands. So do we like these or what?
Yeah.
Were they fun to open?
Yes.
Super fun. And we got all these cute little mini toys. Which one's your favorite?
This one.
The slime?
Yeah.
The slime is your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so.
Thanks for watching my channel, guys. And like and subscribe.